Hello and welcome to another episode of Little Lessons. Today it's just Abby and me, and we've got this fun activity building a volcano which we're going to try out, which we've been waiting to do for a while, but we haven't because we think it might be a little bit messy. Do you think? Just a little bit. But anyway, let's get started. Should we put it all out?
Yeah, let's do it. I thought this volcano would be so bigger. It's mini.
Yeah, it's only a little one, isn't it? It's got a top on it.
It looks like a cup.
Yeah. What else have we got? We've got the instructions.
Some baking powder.
Yeah, baking powder. We've got boom bags. What's boom bags?
Balloons.
Got some cardboard, some balloons. Got some gloves.
More balloons.
More balloons. We've got some baking soda, so baking powder and baking soda, and some coloured dyes.
Green.
Green and orange. And a little pot. Okay. Let's put that down there out of the way. Alright, are you ready for this?
What's that?
Oh, hang on. Mr. Beast. We threw the funnel away.
I think it goes like that.
Quite possibly. Should we find out? Yeah? Okay, let's get started. We're back. We've got all the bits and pieces. We've got a volcano dye, baking soda. We also needed a jug and some malt vinegar, which we have also managed to find. So we're going to see about making a volcano. What's the instructions say? It says...
How did he put on these gloves?
Oh, right, carefully pour 50 ml of malt vinegar through the funnel into the centre. So I think we need to take the lid off our volcano, and we need to put 50 ml. So where's the mils on our... You're going to help me do this?
Yeah, I'm not going to wear the gloves.
50 ml is the top of where it says liquid, I think. Ah. You pour it to about there. Okay, right, and then that's got to go into our volcano.
Who needs gloves?
Right, you're going to put that into our volcano?
They're stuck.
Yeah, who needs gloves? Oh yeah, good idea. Let's see, what else do we have to do? Right, is it all in?
You can hear it, it's like a tap.
You can.
It's a tornado.
I didn't know that volcanoes had vinegar in them. Isn't that funny?
I don't think they do that.
Okay,
just
right.
when they explode.
Well, that's quite heavy now. Right, we need to put some of this orange dye in it so that it turns the colour of lava. It just needs a few drops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So that'll do it. And then I think we're done with that.
I can smell vinegar.
You can smell vinegar. That's because we've been using vinegar. Right, then it says, oh, carefully open the bag of baking soda. Oh, careful, careful. Right. And then it says, slowly pour some of the baking soda and then quickly remove the funnel.
Why?
Because this is what makes the eruption, I would imagine.
I'm getting rid of the funnel.
Oh dear.
We haven't got the volcano top on.
Yeah, I'm going to have to try and be quick, I think.
Very quick.
There we go. Let's do it with one hand. Let's do it this way. Whoa!
I couldn't. Oh,
I don't think you can. Whoa!
Yeah.
Ew. I smell like vinegar.
You need my elf sleeve up. I've got cheese on this hand.
Disgusting. Smell like fish and chips.
It's pink. Wee.
Aww. That really smells like vinegar.
It's pink.
Should we do that? Clean it up and do it again close up.
Yeah.
Okay, try it again. Oh, get it in.
It's fizzing. A lot.
Oh, get the lid on quick.
I just got it. Oh,
Whoa! Oh my word!
oh my god!
Whoa!
Now it's on the carpet.
That was even better than the last time.
Whee!
Oh, you're just yeah, gross. Alright, so we're going to try it again. We've got green dye instead of orange dye this time. Yeah, just for a change.
I'm doing out my sleeves just because I've got to put the lid on.
Yeah, you don't want to get covered. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
You've got to be quick. Oh. Here it is, come in. Go quick. Ah! Don't turn that away. No. Oh, it's not shooting up.
Well, at least it looks like a volcano. That's what
It
happens.
does. But it's blue. It says green on the bottom, but it's blue dye.
But at least it has green bubbles.
That's cool. Hey?
The green dye swimming in it.
Oh, don't do that.
Hey, I like that. Get me back in that pool. Wee. Wee.
Brilliant. Right. Well, anyway, this is just a short video that we wanted to do. Just have a quick activity.
Come up, Red.
We just wanted to quickly show you this and have a bit of a go. We've actually run out of vinegar, so we can't do it again anyway. So we'll say goodbye for now, and we will see you in the next video. Yeah? Bye.
Bye.